In this video, we'll organize the main harness to fit the Goblin. Cut the large light blue radiator fan about 6 inches from the taped up wires. Crimp an insulated connector on the wire. Install the other half of the connector at this time. You will finish wiring this connection while building your Goblin. Grab 14-foot extension wires that are brown, white, yellow, and green. Tape one end of these wires and pull this end to the BCM. This will be your left-hand headlight and turn signal wires. On the other end, slide on heat shrink and strip each wire. Take the wires to the fuse box and cut the headlight plug from the harness. Twist the headlight and extension wires together. The blue headlight wire goes to the green extension, brown to brown, yellow to yellow, and the dark green headlight wire goes to the white extension wire. Solder the wires and apply the heat shrink. Repeat the process for the other headlight plug with 10-foot extensions. Tape the extension wires in 2 places. This will help you identify these wires as your right-hand side wires later. The dark blue headlight wire will again go to the green extension, brown to brown. The tan headlight wire goes to the yellow extension wire, and the light green headlight wire goes to the white extension wire. Pull the wires to the BCM. If your donor had fog lamps, you will have purple wires in 2 places that can be used to power accessories. Extend the first purple wire toward the BCM. The other purple wire is near the fuse box. Heat shrink the end of the wire, roll it up, and zip tie it in place. Cut the green horn wire near the fuse box. Solder a 9-foot extension wire here. Solder the other end of the extension wire back to the connector. Pull the connector to the BCM. Start taping near the fuse box. Disconnect the ECM plug to make taping easier. Tape around the ECM wires, fuel pump harness, and other wires that are already taped. Those wires should remain sticking out of the harness. The wires you labeled earlier will get grouped and taped with the main bundle. Keep taping until you get to the end of the folded over wires. If you're working with a turbocharged harness, tape up the red intercooler pump wire with the last of the extended black ground wires. Tape the intercooler pump wires to the harness as shown. Reconnect the ECM plug. Solder the red fused wires to the red and black wire coming out of the BCM. Since these wires are large, we like to use a crimp sleeve like we did in the previous video. At this point, we are ready to start stripping the dash harness before merging it with the main harness. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when our new videos go live. If you have any questions, send us an email, give us a call, or join our forum. Thanks for watching.